tin is so hot that even his poppet is flammable. But my poppet ice cream is very refreshing. Where are they going?
Hey.
Oh, so cute. This one won't work. Or this one. Who is that? Hi. You're not a good fit for the role of prison guard. You look too nice. What? You think I'm not a good fit? Who do you think you are? I was wrong. You're hired. Thank you. You are so kind. Get to work right now. Hold on. Where are you going? On vacation. Wow, that was fast. I am so sick of this stupid jail. I should get out. Fire isn't allowed? Ha! I just got an idea. Where are my matches? Of course, under the bed. Oh, my precious! I'm about to show them what real fire looks like. Come on, light up! They got so wet. It's useless! Ah! Oh, my head is on fire! What's the smell? Fire! I'm coming! A fire extinguisher won't help here. Follow me. Come in. He'll cool off here fast. It's like a tropical resort. My nose is frozen! And ears! In the cold, empty house, a door creaked. What? The lights went out! It was the most interesting part! Hey! Officer Jennifer! Hey! What's wrong? The light bulb burned out! You're right! Someone should replace it! And that someone is me! I should get dressed warmer. And I'll be ready to go into the icy cell. Give me the bulb. I hope I don't drop it. It's so cold. Done. Finally, thanks. You're welcome. Officer, the light bulb died. I'm scared of the dark. What? Another one? I have to change again. Some sunscreen is a must. I'm coming! Hurry up! Save me! Open the door! Welcome! I am so sick of all this! It's freezing cold there and boiling hot here! Hey! You need to relax! I know! Put Orbeez in a bottle. Inflate a clear balloon. Put it on the bottle and transfer the Orbeez. Let the air out and tie the balloon off. Put on a bulb connector. Trim the knot on the balloon and cover it up with light clay. Paint it silver. This is for you! A light bulb? This isn't a regular light bulb. Try it out. Wow! I love it! The light is on!
Yes!
Thanks for coming over. Bye! You forgot the ladder! The never-ending fight between ice and fire. Who will win the video game this time? No! You're gonna regret that! And you lost! computer games in my prison. I'm taking the controllers away. What if I make a game controller out of ice? I'll try. It worked. What does it control? What's going on with me? Ha! I can control the guard. Ouch! It hurts. Brittany, give me the controller, please. Here. Yay! Oh no! The ice melted. I wonder how long it'll last. Phew! Finally! Who did that? Ha! Tin! Your pants are wet! This isn't what you think it is! My report will be the best report in the history of this prison! Send! 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 Come on! Go! My nail! Oh no! It's a disaster! Someone's in trouble! Officer! Hold on! This is a problem, but I can help you out! A nail file won't be enough to handle it! Will you save my nail? I'll save your whole manicure! Draw a cube layout on a sheet of plastic. Cut it out and assemble it. Remove the protective layer. Superglue the sides. Fill the cube with clear Orbeez. This is so satisfying! How did it turn out? It's even better than I expected! Nice! Now do the other hand! Sure! Relax! Hi! It's so hot! I can't sleep! I need ice! No! It's not helping! Somebody! Save me! I'm dying from the heat! Huh? What? Hold on! I have a blanket in my freezer! Help! Here! This icy blanket should help! Oh yeah! It's so satisfying when it rustles! This sound is so annoying! Ah! That's enough! Officer! What's up? You need a stress reliever! Maybe I do! Oh, I like it! Oh, it's hot! My fingers! I'm on fire! Help! What? Water! Cold! So good! My hands? What should I do? Oh, I know! An icy poppet! It'll relieve stress and cool you down. My hands are better now, but I think this poppet is broken. It doesn't pop. You don't need to pop it. You should break it. Wow, I like this poppet way more. Whoa! Thanks a lot for your help. You're welcome. And that's fun. What is it? A contest? The best jail! Wow! Guys! We have to win this competition! Your ice powers and your fire powers will help! Come on! Let's win! I'll go get ready! Today is our open house! Welcome! This is our hottest guy! Whoa! Impressive! And over here we have an icy cell. I'm kind of sick. Whoops! What is that? Ew! I'm done! Gross! Come on! It's just slime! An icy slime stress reliever! Pour slime glue in a deep container and add coloring. Mix it and add gel laundry detergent. Mix to get an even consistency. Add mica to the bottom of a jar and fill it with the slime. Cover it with another layer of mica. Add a decorative label. Oh, I love it! Can I keep it? Sure! All yours! Phew! That was crazy! Tin loves meditating on a pop-it mattress. And here come the visitors! Would you like a souvenir? A blazing spinner! Cut a piece out of plexiglass. Color it with acrylic paint so it looks like flames. Attach it to a round base. Add 2 more pieces. Attach a ball bearing to the back and a fastener. Glue on an LED strip. I want this spinner! I'm buying it! Wow! There's nothing left for me! Don't worry, there's more! Icy Brittany always has something to share! Do you like it? Whoa! I'll get it! Brittany, your squishy is in good hands! We made some money! We have an icy backdrop here! Wow! I'd love to do a photo shoot here! Ready? Smile! Are the bars actually cold? Whoops! I'm stuck! Oh! Whoa! Now that's fun! Thanks! Come again! Who will be the winner of the contest? I have the trophy! I have the medal! This is the certificate! The best jail of the year! We won! Money! It's our prize! Whoops! Somebody! Hurry up! Put the fire out! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us who you liked more, Icy Brittany or Fiery Tin. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.